Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's check the detailed analysis of Manager tab in Odoo 15 Lunch module. The Lunch dashboard shows several tabs such as My Lunch, Configuration and Manager. So you can manage your new order, account history, vendors, alerts and product categories with Odoo 15 Lunch module. Now let's have a look at the detailed view of the Manager tab in the Lunch dashboard. It is necessary to store the data of food orders on a particular date in a company. One of the complex steps is to maintain the food item orders of employees on a specific date in a firm. In the Odoo Lunch dashboard, you can easily store food orders on any date. So click on the Today's Orders menu from the Managers tab to view your orders on current day. After placing an order from the New Orders menu, it is immediately shown here in the Today's Orders window. For example, let's have make a order from this window. Here you can see the status that is ordered. So when we comes to the today's manager window, you can see that the order is quickly depicted in this window. Here we can see the order date, vendor, product, lunch location, price, company and the status. In the campaign view, it depicts the product name, the cost, date, a responsible person, and also here we can see the status. And here we can see that there is an option to discard the placed order by clicking on the cancel button. A trader that offers food items or any other product for sale is a vendor, and it may be a company or a specific individual. The information relates to the vendor visible to the user with the control vendors window. The list view of the control vendors displays the food organized under each vendor, order date, lunch location, user, price, status, and the company. In the campaign view, we can see the food orders under each vendors and it denotes the status of specific orders. The call icon with green color assists to order a cancelled item again, and you can see a cancel an order using the cancel button. On the pivot view, the total count of food items ordered under each vendor is seen here, and you can apply various measures like quantity, total price, etc. And here we can see it is possible to add a custom group inside each vendor like user, vendor and order date. And also you can choose the customizable features like filters, group by and the favorites. The description of orders placed by different users' account is visible here in this control accounts window. Here we can see the user's name, date, description and the amount of orders placed under each user. On the campaign view, we can view the payments made by each user separately under different titles. Also the price, date and food item are also can be seen here. And finally here we have the cash moves. It is easy to track cash moves by clicking on the cash moves option from the managers tab. So we can see the date, user, description and the amount placed of a placed order. So all employees total cash moves in a firm are easily managed through this cash moves window. In the campaign view, we can see the lunch cash moves of each user with the date and amount. So by clicking on a particular cash move title, you will direct to the details of lunch cash moves of a specific individual. So if you want to make an edit, you can click on the edit icon, or if you want to create a new cache mouse, you can click on the create icon. Here we can choose a user's name from the drop down menu, and here we can set the date and also here we can enter the amount. It is also possible to add a description here for the cache mouse. So after providing all the details, you can click on the save icon. So the created cache details are visible along with the existing list in the cache moves window. We can set an overdraft for lunch from the settings menu in the configuration tab. It is helpful for a firm to apply overdraft for all employees. So we can see lunch overdraft inside the lunch options in the settings menu. So the highest overdraft limit to reach your employees shows as lunch overdraft. So you can take a loan from the overdraft limit if the account balance of employees reaches zero for a lunch order. So you can enter your maximum overdraft limit inside the overdraft option and select the save icon in this window. So the Odoo 15 lunch module manages your order on a particular date, controlling vendors, cash moves, and control accounts. The food supply system of a company operates efficiently through the lunch module. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.